Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram Notes camera not showing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, go to apps, click on manage apps, search Instagram application, tap on Instagram application, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data on Instagram application. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. You make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram Notes camera not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.